hi there. In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can transfer money to a friend on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be describing because so that you can actually follow along even if your screen looks different. So yeah, before starting, make sure that you do have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. And also make sure that your country actually has or supports Revolut so that you will be able to act to proceed to the next step. So once you're on your Revolut app or website, what you will have to do is log into your existing account or create one if you don't have one yet, and then you will go to the payment section. And after that, you will select Fred or contact and you will enter the amount. And this is optional, by the way. You can also add note. And after that, you will tap send and then confirm via PIN or biometric. And once the transfer is completed, the confirmation will be in app. And that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.